So I am out here charging right now, getting ready to pick up a money after I finish charging, um, and then we're gonna get on the road. We gotta go pick up some snacks first. I'm actually a little hungry, but I'm intermittent fasting, so I gotta wait until 1 o'clock to eat. But yep, charging, about to go pick up a money. We on the road, people. We on the road. Finally got to the destination, and of course, gotta hit the beach. And as you can see, it was beautiful. There's nothing in the world like the ocean. My daughter took her shoes off, playing in the water. You about to see her track feet in a minute. She didn't know that water was coming that fast. Unfortunately, right here on this clip, it was too windy, so you couldn't really hear what I was saying. But in so many words, if you see my daughter in the background, I had just shared with her, like, when I come to the ocean, it's like whatever issues or problems or whatever the case may be, whatever it is that I just have on my shoulders, I just release it. I just sit still and be at peace, and I just release. And then when I come back home, I just come back anew. And the ocean is an amazing place. The sound of the water, the sun, the smell. I love it all. There's nothing in this world that is like the ocean. At least not to me. So we decided to go to the bonfire that the World Mark Marina Dunes provided to their guests. So we chilled out there for a little bit, enjoyed the vibes, the fire, the ocean, the view, and so on. Conversating, talking. My daughter was getting nervous by the fire because the breeze was blowing it all over the place, and so that was pretty funny. But we were having a good time though. We enjoyed it. We didn't stay out there too long because the darker it got, the colder it got. So this is an overhead shot of the resort, the World Mark Marina Dunes. Beautiful property. They have as you can see in the center of the property, they have a heated pool, stays at 85 degrees. They have an on-site playground, on-site restaurant, hot chocolate coffee in the mornings. But here's an Easter egg for you guys. Can you guys see me in this picture? Pause it, see if you can find me. But yeah, it's a beautiful property, beachfront, bonfire, great customer service. We had a great time. But right now, we're gonna head into beautiful Monterey, California. Sorry about that. You touched it? Looked like you was petting it. Oh well, it's okay.